Hi, and welcome back to our FP&A channel. Have you ever wondered how businesses predict their future sales or expenses? It all starts with mastering a few key forecasting terms. Stick around till the end of this video as we break down these terms along with some real world examples. So let's get right into it. Number one, we have something called as a baseline. Think of the baseline as your starting point. It is the average of the past data you use as a reference for future projections. For example, if I run a bookstore and I have been making an average of $10,000 sales every month for the past year, that's my baseline for projecting future sales. It's like setting the standard to measure any ups and downs in my business. Very straightforward, right? Next, let's talk about something called as one-timers. One-timers are the curveballs in forecasting. Imagine out of nowhere a celebrity tweets about my book and my sales skyrocket for a short period. That spike is a one-timer. It's unexpected, not a part of my regular planning. Adjusting forecasts for these anomalies means recognizing that they are outliers and not a regular norm. Keeping an eye for these one timers helps us stay realistic with our expectations. Next one is trends. Trends are the long term shifts that can either be your best friend or your toughest challenges. If there is a growing trend of people switching to ebooks, as a bookstore owner, I need to adapt. Identifying trends involves looking at the bigger picture and adjusting your sale to catch the wind. Identifying trends early can help us becoming proactive rather than staying reactive. Moving on to the fourth key term, which is seasonality. Seasonality is about patterns that repeat over and over a specific period of time. Let's take, for example, my bookstore again. I notice sales go up during the holiday season. Why? Because, well, maybe books make for a great gift, and also people have more time during the holidays to read. That's seasonality at play. Understanding these patterns allows us to adjust our stock and marketing efforts accordingly. Whether it's an ice cream sales in summer or sales of umbrella in the rainy season, seasonality affects us all. Finally, there is one more term we can't overlook. That's called phasing. Phasing is about timing. It's understanding when certain events are likely to occur and adjusting our forecasts accordingly. Imagine you've launched a new marketing campaign. Phasing helps you predict when the impact of that campaign will start showing in your sales numbers. It is not just about knowing that sales will increase, but precisely when that uptick will happen. This can be incredibly useful for planning inventory, staffing, and budgeting. Right phasing ensures we are not just shooting in the dark, but timing our shots perfectly to hit our targets. A lot of people get confused between the two terms, which is seasonality and phasing. Think of seasonality as something that happens regularly every year, like more people buying umbrellas in the rainy season or more ice creams in summer. It's a pattern that repeats because of the time of the year, while phasing is more about specific events and when their effects will show up. For example, in the example of bookstore, it was a big sale in March. Phasing would be predicting when I'll start to see more people coming to the store because of the sale. It's about timing the impact of some special events that happened. And there you have it, five of the most important terms used in forecasting: baseline, one timers, trends, seasonality, and phasing. Understanding these concepts can significantly enhance your ability to predict and plan for the future. So, whether you are running your own business or planning your personal finances, this terms will help you understand how forecasting works. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on FP&A. If you have any questions or you want me to cover any topic in my future videos, do drop a note in the comment below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.